Yes, today we'll be doing soft bread. I want Carol and I go for bread today. We're not a sift, sir. Yeah, we will do soft bread, guys. I go shop, I go shop, I no buy bread because I get flour for house. So I no still buy bread. When my hand they do, I feel make bread. So there is no need. Then we go to sieve them like this. We make soft bread. You hear me? Hey guys. Soft bread, I'm going to put 2 eggs. We get our butter. This our yeast. This is salt. Then we have sugar. Then we have oil. So milk with yeast and keep it aside in this bowl. This is our liquid milk. We have this is our yeast. So my wonderful people see. That's our yeast. That's my yeast. I will mix yeast and milk. So guys, continuation of our. So this is yeast, egg. I put 2 eggs with milk, with yeast. We'll mix it and keep it aside. The flour. I have almost 2 kilo, 1 3/4. See the flour, guys. Yes, we don't continue. And that's my video they cut. So we don't mix inside here, we don't put flour, we don't sieve the flour, we don't put flour, sugar and salt. Don't mix them. And then inside here you get milk, yeast and egg. This one they do nas. They do soft breads. Milk, yeast and salt. So we go to mix them. We'll put water. We'll put some more water. Voila. So guys, we go to mix them. I go use my hand so that make it fast. So this is all for the bread, the soft bread. This is all for soft bread. All eyes on me. Concentrate on the mixture. No look now whether are beautiful or not. Guys, we're going to put them. Yes, so according to. So this is our bread mixture. I go shop, I see flour, I dey buy. But if I see bread, I dey pass because I can do it. So you can be doing it and selling it. Now a very nice business, this small petty business you do, and that's you need a heart to make bread. You need a heart, just go to the process. You need a heart, guys. We don't mix and be that. After mixing it, we keep it for 1 hour. You see am. I go dey put butter, just small butter. All eyes on me.